Welcome, episode 2 of the DS3 race project. Getting ready for our Cup Series next year. So, I picked up the kit last weekend, full race kit, everything we need, except the exhaust. They got to send that to me. We're missing some parts. Well, that's fine. Oh, get off. So that's good. Got everything. I'll get it all out in a little bit. Show you. Need to swap the cars over on the ramps. Have a little look at the Clio. What we got going on with that. Have a little walk around with you, and go from there. Really. So we got the Clio here, just getting off the ramp, in for some big upgrades. As you can tell, engine's out, all crackle painted inside, new fuel lines and that run in, had a full colour change as well. So, was orange, sitting there, getting a full change. Internal's been, Christ, that's been gutted. So yeah, that's a new colour we're going for. Full big wing on the back. So, see a bit of this in the future videos, I'm sure. Alright, time to start work. Sorted my stuff out. So we're just going to do brakes off, full brakes off to get them refurbed, suspension off, a load of arms off, all the bushes off, and see how we go. So yeah, wheels off, get these off, all the hoses, suspension, jock links, we get arms off. Alright, let's do it. One brake off, still that drain. Wonder if I pump the brakes, it'll speed it up a bit. We'll bob around, do the other side, let it all drain down, and then we'll tackle the suspension. Sweet. So that's the front brakes off. Time to do the rears. Let's do it. That is all before brakes off. Clamp the hoses while I was doing the others because I've only got one drain tank. But yeah, suspension now, and I'm gonna go rears first because I feel like they're gonna be easier. Oof, that doesn't look good. Noticed may have a broken rubber. That's coming off at some point soon. Right, get the second side off. Oh, I just need to hammer it out again, sorry. Yep. Go on. Ugh. Lovely, thank you. Oh. Whoa, I'm glad these come with new suspension bolts. Ah! Flipping hell, the bolt got that up, me winding it out. Because of a dodgy thread, it burnt my hand. Now it's in a tub of oil. Okay, suspension is out. Oh wait, almost out. I lied. Ooh, where are you going? That's the rears sorted. Now time to do the front, which always a bit more difficult, but we'll get there. Yeah, do that. Yeah, that's not supposed to be snapped. Yeah, it's jammed in. Got it off though, that's the main thing. So we're just taking the lower arms off, front suspension, just doing it all in one hit. I'm trying to, I should say. What a nightmare they are. Stupid little design, that. I suppose this makes it so you don't have to get from the top of it. Trying and succeeding. Ah! Yeah, I just started losing all my flipping gearbox oil. Yeah. My dry shafts. Oh, you popped out of the box? Yeah. There we go. So get the disc off. Lighten the load a little. So when we take the suspension off, it's not hanging in all the weight, pulling. Good day so far. Got quite a bit done. That'll be me for today. Bit of work tomorrow. Might take the rear axle out, get that powder coated. I think that'd be quite cool. We'll see. But yeah, getting there. So. Morning. We are back. Bit tired. Slept on the garage floor last night and the worst bed I've ever bought. But we're all good. We're back. So, did a bit of work on the Clio to end the day last night. Just gave Simon a hand. Got the cage in, and he's been playing around with his new fuel system, which I'll show you now. So yeah, this is his new fuel system little design. Upgraded pumps and stuff. Some fancy lines going. Use the original tank. But yeah, looking good. Bolted the cage in. That's looking pretty naughty. So yeah, we're getting there, and you'll see this getting built. So now, to my car. So, just going to build a new table up quick, because I am sick of bending down to pick my tools up when we've got specially designed tables to hold it. So, let's give it. That's my table done. Not too bad. So, go back to the car. So, done. Suspension and brakes off. This side's so much easier once you know what you're doing. Use power tools as well, which I should have been really doing yesterday instead of just hand tools, but we're there. So I'm just going to strip off the bottom bits off the suspension, and then I'm going to move on to the rear axle, exhaust, just take it off from the back end, last disconnection, and yeah, see where we are then. All right, let's have a look at getting the old. Ooh, I like that. Meep. Meep. Oh. Does that spin as well? Oh, it does. I like that. Okay. Yeah, get the exhaust off, which is going to be easy because there's only one rubber holding it on, and ooh, that lovely looking joiner. So, whip this off, go from there. Yeah, I should go power tools, because that's going to be fun. That's one way to do it. Just snap it off. It ain't going back on. It don't matter. Whew. Fair play. Obviously, I've got the kit now. A load of stuff's got to get sent off to powder coaters. But I'm hoping once that's done and back, over Christmas, this car will start getting properly built, get some good videos. After Christmas, once the frost goes away, we'll get some track time, some practicing. Because I don't want to be a novice in this car when we get to the track. You know, I've got a bit of track time, but not in a Citroen. Mostly in a Renault Clio. I was actually in Germany not long ago, and I decided to do a day trip to the Nürburgring in the rental, which was quite fun. Renault Clio, new style that was, which was a bit wild. Absolutely hammering it down. GT3 RSs drive around like absolute lunatics. They know how to drive. Is the grinder going to have to come out? Because it's probably going to be easier. If in doubt, get the grinder out. Let's give it a hammer first. That was easier than I thought. The exhaust is off. So I'm going to strap the car to that because I don't want it falling off when I take the axle off. Let's not risk it. Little update. So got the rear discs off, got some of the brake lines further back. I still can't get, if you can see it, that line there off this rear axle, and then the axle can come off. So done this side as well. Didn't film it, just took a bit of messing around and that. You'd have been just sat here watching me fight it for 10 minutes and no point. So I'm gonna have a fight at getting this brake line off, and hopefully axle will be coming off. So I got the axle fully disconnected. What the? And all I got to do is cut this cable tie, and it should fall out. See what happens. Everything clear. Right, that's one side out. Pull! Oh shit! That is the other side out. And that's how you get an axle out on your own, because they are not light. You're right. So that is everything I think took off the car. So next video will be a bit more interesting. Start building the car into a race car. So got a big colour scheme coming in. It's a plan. It's going to look good. Got me graphics guy doing all the graphics design, which is awesome. Big thanks to SW MOTORSPORT supplying the kit, which is looking really good. I'll tell you what, there's this roll again. This is going to get sprayed, but there's my nice roll cage, all the bits. There's my seat, nice enough. And then all my bits now ready for it. Ready. So yeah, good day. So we're done for this weekend. All my bits off that I needed. Got my axle, got my lowered arms, anti-roll bar. Brakes are ready for refurb. All that's ready for powder coating. Get it all sandblasted and stuff. Nice little bit of progress on the Clio. Got some fuel lines ran in. We've got the roll cage in. So next video will be start making this car into a race car. Getting some of this kit on. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.